Hello, in today's video I am going to show how to install Linux Lite 5.4. Start the installer by clicking on the Install Linux Lite icon on the desktop. Select your language and press Continue. Select your keyboard layout and press Continue. Select Download Updates and install third-party software, then press Continue. Select where you want to install Linux Lite and if you want to automatically partition the disk or assign manually the mount points. Confirm that you want to write the changes to the disk. Select your time zone on the map and press Continue. Create a user, set your host name and press Continue. Thank you for watching the video, and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.